What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog, we are driving from Southeast Industrial Area to the Northwest community of Scenic Acres. It is about, I will say, well, with the traffic, half an hour drive. So, yeah, I'm gonna put the music on and hopefully you're gonna enjoy. Uh, I don't know. We'll see what happens along the way, right? So, thanks so much for watching our videos. Click that subscribe button if you like our hiking videos or these vlogs. Um, that subscribe button sure helps us. So, no more to say. Let's put the music on and let's go. guys, well, we made it to our destination. Well, I made it. I'm waiting for Aneta. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna rename. I'm gonna put dashcam footage because that's pretty much what we're doing here. So in the titles, I'm gonna change a couple things in there. Keep them pretty much the same as they are, but I'm gonna add the dashcam footage. So it's more knowledge of what the video is about. So um, very very windy. Oh my god! Like I had to hold the steering wheel pretty hard, and I could feel it moving side to side in a few moments. So yeah, it is pretty windy. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, uh, pretty windy here. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that like button. Please subscribe. And of course, hit that bell notification button so you are aware of every time we post a new video. If it's a vlog or it's a camping, hiking, whatever we do video. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you. And till the next time.